We spend a lot of time outside our camper enjoying the outdoors, but when you need to be inside, it has to have the right look and feel. The way I see it, functionality and beauty go hand in hand. The first thing I notice when entering the Avalanche is you don't feel cramped. It's extremely roomy and has a very comfortable feel. The main slide out is extra tall, a full 6 foot 5 inches, and that definitely adds to the overall roominess of the coach. All of the furniture is an upgraded residential style that uses some of the best fabrics and materials in their construction. That's the practical side of me coming out again. And speaking of practical, the lambrequins are made with real wood and then covered with a color-coordinated fabric, not cardboard. The lambrequins help prevent heat and cold transfer from the window frames, besides being attractive. The windows also have day and night shades, another feature not commonly found on units at this price point. I like the fact the windows are big and bright, enhancing that open feel. All of the windows are tinted, which helps keep the interior of the coach cooler on those hot summer days. I definitely like the freestanding dinette, which makes getting in and out of the chairs much easier. The extra sturdy, freestanding table also has a built-in leaf extension, so you can increase the size of the table if unexpected guests happen to stop by. There is also extra storage under the tabletop, and storage is a big thing for me. Even the high-back dinette chairs have extra storage under the seat cushions. A nice place to put things like games, decks of cards, or notepaper. The Avalanche comes with a Sleep and Store airbed sofa. At the touch of a button, the airbed fills to create a luxurious double-wide sleeping surface, which is extremely comfortable, unlike the old-style uncomfortable fold-out sofa. And even when the bed is set up, there is plenty of space to walk around it. I definitely like the fact that Avalanche has linoleum flooring in high-traffic areas and carpeting in comfort zones. We are a family that really likes our entertainment, so the Super Cinema package was very attractive to us. It includes the large HD LCD TV with a great sounding surround sound system with directional speakers, a DVD CD player, and an input for my iPod. It includes a digital TV antenna with built-in signal booster along with dual cable and satellite hookups. The One Place Command Center, conveniently located near the door, contains all the operational switches and gauges you need to operate your coach in one place. There's even a ceiling fan and lighting fixture combination to help keep things cool and fresh. I must say, if I had to design a kitchen for myself, it would be just like the one in the Avalanche. I just love the cabinets. They are made of real cherry hardwood. Both the cabinet doors and the face frames are real wood, not that funky particle board I've seen in other units. The cabinets are extra large and extra deep. And you definitely can put everything in the Avalanche. There are storage compartments and drawers in places that you would normally not expect, like under the appliances. All of the drawers are deep and pull out completely, using heavy-duty residential-style ball-bearing drawer guides that are screwed in, not glued. I always say you can never have enough storage space. The appliances are definitely residential style. There is a high-output 3-burner range with a 22-inch oven, along with a large microwave with a vented range hood. And I love the refrigerator. It's incredibly roomy and has real cherry wood inserts on the doors. The countertops are made out of real Corian and have matching Corian sink covers, adding a nice residential feel to the kitchen. The sink itself is stainless steel and extra deep with dual sink bowls matched with a high-rise single-lever kitchen faucet. This is definitely one exceptional kitchen. They've managed to maximize kitchen storage with more drawers and pantry space than you'd ever expect. The Avalanche's bathroom is also very spectacular. There's a real porcelain toilet with a foot flush lever, and the shower surround is also very large and residential in style. The shower door and enclosures are made with translucent glass and come complete with a handheld massaging shower head. Above the shower, there is a skylight, adding extra height and extra light in the shower. There's plenty of storage in the bathroom too. There is a large mirrored medicine cabinet that has plenty of room for those personal items, and extra storage under the bathroom sink as well. And the floor is covered with an easy to clean linoleum. And I really like the fact that the bathroom and bedroom are all on the same level, which is great when you have to get up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. The master bedroom is extremely roomy with high ceilings. All bedrooms have a full 60 by 80 queen size bed, and they have conveniently placed cross ventilation windows in the bedroom slide. And when it comes to storage, there is plenty of it here, with a full chest of drawers which are deep and wide with plenty of room for just about anything you need to put in them. All the master bedroom closets come with mirrored glass doors, and there is plenty of space for hanging up all those bulky clothing items like jackets and fall weather gear. There is even an additional chest of drawers that can be converted into a clothes washer and dryer, and it is conveniently plumbed and wired for that option if you decide to include it later. In the ceiling, there is a place for an additional air conditioning unit that is also pre-wired. Even though I get excited about the practical and functional things in the coach, I have to say the Avalanche truly is a beautiful coach both inside and outside.